What's up, guys? I want to catch that small bus, that one, to the center of the city. Okay, so right now I'm here because I'm trying to catch a bus. This is the most elite area, I guess, in Barranquilla. Very elite and looks very expensive, kinda very beautiful. I want to catch a bus to the center of the city. I guess I need something like that, you know. Those are the local buses here, and I just hope I don't need a card, because some other places you need a card for you to travel, you know, like the small card you put on the bus, then the door opens. But anyway, I want to have a haircut in the center of the city. I want to have some haircuts in the center of the city. At the same time, also show you places, show you Barranquilla. Some of my viral videos are actually filmed in this city of Barranquilla. Very viral videos. I'm talking about 2 million views, 3, close to 4 are filmed here. But this is the other side of Barranquilla. Very beautiful, well organized, chill, expensive, classy. I should cross here. I think crossing here is it looks dangerous, man. This place looks dangerous. You know, it looks really dangerous here. Especially this car is coming from the other side. This one's coming from the other. So you actually don't know which car is which car. Oh. Wow. So this is Barranquilla, Colombia, and some of you may have known this city because of its football. Hey, they are selling mangoes. I like eating these fruits because they are fresh. And that guy knows where he gets them cheap, meaning they are very organic, you know. Yes. So wow. I'm staying in one of the hotels here. It's called Hotel Barranquilla Plaza. Oh shit, man. You see how I'm caught here? Oh shit. You see? This place is very confusing. So let me go this way and catch a bus, public bus. And this bus is supposed to take me to the center of the city. This is Barranquilla, Colombia. Actually, it's a nice place. Maybe the bus is leaving me. I think, yeah, I don't know. I need some small money. Ah, pigeons. I miss pigeons, man. You know, when I was in my village, I have these birds. Like these ones, they want to give birth, to make eggs. Okay. So let me wait for the bus. Amigo. Autobús para el centro, ¿es dónde? ¿Este es el centro? ¿Cuánto cuesta? La verdad que no sé. Oh, so he don't know, but this is the bus that goes to the center. Oh shit, man. ¿El centro? Vuelve al momento de escucharte en tu silencio. Vuelve al momento de escucharte en tu silencio. Soledad que se alimenta. Silencio de tu voz, esa voz que te sonríe pronunciando sin mi nombre, aquel nombre que me diste diciendo que sí, mi amor, es mi amor que te espera y que siempre esperará, es tu amor que me condena, es la eterna libertad que pasa en mi silencio.
que dice así.
I'm in this bus going to El Centro, you know. Wow. There's a guy right there performing. This is the way it is.
Pocas veces nos veíamos.
I'm in the last seat, you know? Last.
Pero sigue siendo amigo. Sigue siendo mi hermano. Amigo tú, amigo yo. Perdóname si te he fallado. Yo sé muy bien, lo sabes tú. Siempre estaré siempre a tu lado. Estar y compartir momentos buenos y los malos.
This bus is so fast, man. Like really fast.
Yo no voy a correr hoy de pasar el Zaragoza ni nada de esa vaina.
So I'm in a bus here, going to El Centro. It's so full, man. Like, super packed. See?
Oye, vamos a llegar a otro más. Ahora, déjame la. Vamos a ver.
Cada 500 puntos reunidos en la opción sorteo es una oportunidad para ganar. Son más de 50 ganadores. Participa en www.concurso.com. Autoriza por web.
Ya estamos llegando.
Vamos a verlo por aquí, ven. Oye, ¿dónde es que más?
Wow, man. The driver here. Public bus. Barranquilla, Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica?
What's up guys, this is Mara coming live from New York City.
We are in Hawaii.
We're at the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
Soy de España.
I'm heading to